What's going on, guys? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over the two stocks that I'm planning on holding overnight and pretty much do a quick little trading recap on what I ended up trading today and why I'm holding these particular ETFs overnight. So for those of you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Stas and I make videos dealing with swing trading, day trading, long-term investing, and my philosophies and strategies dealing with the stock market. So for those of you guys that are interested in learning more about the stock market, learning more about trading and investing, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And let's get started with the topic of this video. So today, guys, I was mentioning earlier in that pre-market hours video that I made earlier today that I was trading DGAS, GUSH, LABD, and Micron. And right off the bat, guys, I took a little bit of a loss on LABD. Very small loss here, about like $10 to $15. Literally, I took my losses at about $22. I just decided to barely break even. I was in at about $22.05. We're seeing that right now, LABD, it's pretty much getting rejected by the EMA line, and it's looking to make a lower low. So I'm not really going to be touching this one until it really finds its next bottom and, starts to peak out from there a little bit. So I'm done with LABD right now. Completely out of that position. But the other one that I'm in with my smaller account, and I'm slowly going to scale into this one with my bigger account once settled funds become available, is GUSH, ticker symbol GUSH. And this is another inverse ETF. It's inverse being drip. And pretty much, guys, why I'm looking to swing trade this one, hold this one overnight, is because there's a nice green candlestick right here above the 50-day SMA line, and it's looking to actually start consolidating there as of now. And we could tell over time, guys, as drawn out by these trend lines over the past 2-3 weeks now, GUSH is on an ascending uptrend pattern, meaning it's creating higher highs, it's creating higher lows, and it's looking to, consolidate here right now at a higher low, price point. We see that if we look a little bit closer here on this 180-day chart, we see that it bottomed off at 33 here. The next low is at about 36. The next low is at about 37. The next low is at about $38. And now if it's looking to continue onto this pattern, right, the next low is looking to be at around $40 to $40.50. And I'm down a little bit currently on my GUSH position in my smaller account. I'm in at about $41.10. Like I mentioned earlier this morning, I'm down a little bit on that position, but I'm not worried whatsoever, because if it does, it is looking to consolidate on this 50-day SMA line, and if it does continue onto this pattern, right, it should be able to shoot up and make higher highs into the 45s, maybe even to the higher $40 price point levels. And if we're looking at, how much potential for profit does GUSH have to offer from $41 up to the next resistance level at about 47, we see that that's about 12% potential for profit. And if it does continue this uptrending pattern, it could hit highs of 48, 49, which is definitely up there, upwards to about 15%. 16, 17% potential for profit if it does, make a higher high. And according to previous patterns, according to these trend lines here, it does definitely have potential to shoot up even more. So I'm holding GUSH overnight due to the fact that it's on an ascending uptrend pattern and it's looking to consolidate. And it's pretty much been consolidating all day at about $40 and $40.50, as we can see clearly on this chart. And on the 1-day, 1-minute chart, it's trading above the EMA line. It's trading above the 50-day SMA line as well, and it's looking to consolidate nicely right now on top of this 180-day SMA line. So all GUSH is looking very good right now, to hold overnight in my personal opinion. And the next one that I'm holding overnight is DGAS, which trades based upon /NG, which is the natural gas futures. And DGAS, like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm in at about $25.40. And DGAS, guys, is one that, I've been swing trading and scalping into over the past couple of days due to it being on this ascending uptrend pattern, trading above the EMA line, trading above the 180-day SMA line, as well as the 50-day SMA line. And pretty much, guys, why I like DGAS a lot is because natural gas has broken this pattern from $2.90 up to $3. If we look a little bit further to the 90-day 2-hour chart here, we see that natural gas was clearly trading between $2.90 and about $3. And once it broke this pattern here, we see that it's been making lower lows. It's been trading below the EMA line, right? Below the 50-day SMA line. And those two indicators were acting as resistance levels, meaning that it's downtrending in price. And, we were looking at it earlier today, and it was at about $2.82, right about $2.83. And, it's been confirmed that it hit the resistance point at this 50-day SMA indicator, and now it's looking to make a lower low. And where I was looking at it in the pre-market hour video today, it was kind of trading between the 50-day SMA line and between the 180-day SMA line, meaning that it was trading between those two indicators, one acting as a support level, the 50-day SMA line, and one acting as a resistance level. And I was kind of worried earlier in the day that, if it wouldn't break below the 50-day SMA line, that maybe it's going to start pushing back up and making higher highs. But we do see here, guys, on the 10-day, 30-minute chart that, it was trading between these two levels here, but then it was able to break right back below the 50-day SMA indicator and, start to push back down, and the EMA line is still now acting as a resistance level. So this gives me a very good sign and indication that natural gas, could be making even lower lows here, pushing down into the lower mid 270s. So that's why I'm very confident, in holding DGAS overnight. And I don't really recommend anybody holding an ETF or stock overnight that they're not really confident in, that they don't really see the patterns and really understand what the stock is looking to do. And we can see that right now, guys, that natural gas is on a descending pattern. These indicators are clearly acting as resistance points, and we do see that it clearly did get rejected here again yesterday and earlier today, and we could see that it does have really good opportunity to continue to make lower lows. So that's why I'm really looking into natural gas and DGAS as a swing trade overnight. And pretty much, guys, Micron was able to do very well today as well. This is another one of my bigger positions, up 2.3% today, up $1.28. So Micron is steadily recovering from that $200 billion tariff that Trump and China are negotiating right now. And, that sent the markets down. Apple was down about 3%. Micron was down about 3%. Both of these being two of my longer-term position and longer-term holds. And, yeah, they both recovered today. We see Micron up about 2.3%, and Apple is back in the 190s, I believe. Yep, up about 1.5%, up about $3. So these two stocks that I've been trading have been doing very well, and they both have recovered. GUSH and DGAS are looking to be at good buy points right now, at good bounce points right now, and that's what I'm pretty much just doing, guys. That's my trading update for today. I'll have a screenshot of my profits earlier in the video, and I'll put another one up right here so you guys can see how much I made today. I'm up about $100 on all of my trades. Nothing really crazy yet, but again, I'm a swing trader. I like to make a little bit of money each day and then, take out my profits at the end of the week. So that's what I've been doing, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down below in my description. @StriveSmart is my username. If you guys want to follow me on there, I post all my profits there, updates to my channel, what trades I'm taking throughout the day, and pretty much just random stuff that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a Q&A on there because Instagram has just put on a new feature where I could post, like a Q&A thing on my story, and people can type in random questions that they want to ask me. And I want to try that on my Instagram. So if you guys want to participate in that Q&A, it will be on my Instagram story very, very shortly. And again, make sure to do your own research when it comes down to investing and trading in the stock market. Do not buy or sell any stock based off of my opinion or anybody else's. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to be able to do all these different things on your own in order to become successful over time. So hope you guys found some value in this video. Let's make some money today. Peace.